English to Khasi translation. Learn how to speak Khasi. Able, Bala. In English, able, he was able to do by himself. In Khasi, Bala, ulala banle daladihi. About, Shaphang. In English, about, he told me about you yesterday. In Khasi, Shaphang. Ulayathu yanga Shaphang jongpi minhinin. Accuse, Shakanno. English, accuse. He was accused of stolen the watch. Khasi, Shakanno. Ula Shakanno ba ula tu yakabaji. Across, Shashiliang. English, across. He swim across the Umyam Lake. Khasi, Shashiliang. Ujngi na Shiliang Shashiliang kapung Umyam. Agitation, Jingyaki. English, agitation. There's a long hour traffic jam because of the agitation of the teachers. Khasi, Jingyaki. Kaladon ka jing dheng kali bon kenta namar badon ki Jingyaki jong kinong hikai. Bachelor, usamla bam padik shongkurim. English, bachelor. My elder brother is 45 years old, but he is still a bachelor. Khasi, usamla bam pat shongkurim. Uhman jonga uladab saupo san snem karta. Henry pat shongkurim. Borrow, Shimkalyang. English, borrow. I have to borrow money from my friend to buy books. Khasi, Shimkalyang. Nga hab Shimkalyang na uparlog jonga banthit kot. Breakfast, Jingbam step. English, breakfast. I used to take only breakfast in the hostel because I have to rush to office at 8 o'clock. Khasi, Jingbam step. Nga shetbam tang Jingbam step ha hostel. Namar nga hab mare sha office pra baje. Carry, ra kit. English, carry. I carry 10 kg of rice on my shoulder. Khasi, ra kit. Nga kit ra cow ba 10 kilo hagatir peng jonga. Beat, shaw, anibom. English, beat. My father beat my brother with a small stick. Khasi, ipa isyo ya ihep da uding barit. Please note, hep means small brother. English, beat. He beat the dog till he died. Khasi, shaw, bom. Ubom ya uksaw haban dayap. Reading, Pule. English, reading. It is my habit to read newspaper every morning before I go to college. Khasi, Pule. Kadai kajing mlin jonga ban Pule kot khubor man la ka step shwa bangan led sha college. Studying, Krekot. English, studying. Don't disturb me, I am studying now. Khasi, Krekot. Wat pentut ya nga ngadang Krekot menta.